Hi! In this video, I will show you how to send money using Wise. To send money, make sure that you have an existing balance on your account. Click on Send here. Select the currency of the sender. And select also the currency of the recipient. Once you have input the amount that you want to send, you can also see the converted currency or the money that the recipient will receive. Reflecting here also is the fees that you will pay. I will select here on what account I will pay. And then click on Continue. Next is I will add my recipient. We have two choices here. First is we can directly search and add recipient through our Wise users, email, or phone number. Second option is enter bank details. Enter the account details of the recipient here. That includes the name, bank details, and address. And in here, check every details to confirm and click on Continue to Payment. We have series of protective questions here for anti-scam. Answer what was asked here and click on Continue. Here, my account is not yet still verified. I will just click Instant Verification. And then we are all good. And that's it. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!